go.
We will formally start the game. Pero bago yan, nagpapasalamat kita itong Balanghiga, ang ginpapatronan, of course, the Honorable Mayor of Balanghiga with his Vice Mayor and the Councilor as well, nga naghatag in finances para hining tournament. Had it not been Haira, waray tayo nigong kukulawan din sa plaza. Nga kundiin, the allotted 50,000 pesos for the first prize and 30,000 pesos for the second prize and 20,000 pesos for third prize respectively. Now, 8 teams ang naglaban, duduhan na lang nagpapabilin, Lawaan and Balanghiga. Pareho ini nga teams, Tagtulo and Uyas, pero walay mga perde. So they have no loss in their respective games. So hirayan at naglalaban for championship. Ladies and gentlemen, we will introduce to you the players from Lawaan. Abanador number 2. Lawaan, please. Coach. Linya kita. Abanador number 2. Sandali lang, tatawagan niya man. Abanador number 2. Kadina, linya. Abanador. Ausina. Ilima number 77. Galera number 26. Itnadalagan. Snake number 72. Anyano number 21. Nadalagan. Kanan nakapamato na. Dakong number 19. Wolfrey number 55. Kaliwa number 12. Esquido number 25. Dakol number 18. Tercio number 15. Gabornis number 1. Inciso number 44. Casita number 36. Reserve player, Inciso number 0. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the strong team of the municipality of Lawaan, 23 years old and below. Likewise, the host team and the strong team of Balanghiga, sila ang mga bata umaayaw sa droga. Dadulya number 71. Dalagan. Baltinor number 16. Dalagan. Itnadalagan. Dili patay-patay. Kalamay na number 9. Abiliar number 20. Tulis number 27. Balais number 22. Garon number 23. Gaylon number 23. Abing number 25. Kalisay number 8. Sorry ba, hindi rin ngayon ikaw. Garcia number 15. Sabarillo number 14. Baldo number 13. Gamano number 7. Salazar number 26. Obilio number 4. Head coach, Jim Albutra. Head coach, James and si Jen. Edward Cunupio, statistician. Saan ang Edward Cunupio dyan? Richard Cunupio, statistician. Inan Amano, coach. Coach sa Lawaan ngayon. Coach sa Lawaan, Balasbas. Dali. Ladies and gentlemen, both teams, Lawaan and Balanghiga, have very respected and very supportive Vice Mayor. Vice Mayor Inciso over there. Vice Mayor, come here. Vice Mayor, please. Vice Mayor Arnel Kalisay of Balanghiga. Mga kasangkayan, maupay ning alaban, very supportive, ikirang Vice Mayor. Of course, mga players, please, 1 meter backward kita, player, 1 meter backward, please. Of course, this team cannot be concluded, this tournament cannot be concluded without the very good referees from different part of Region 8. Tony Park sa Tacloban City. Saan si Tony Park? Okay yan. Lynn Pacheco of Tacloban City. Primel Quijano of Ihano ba? Ihano? Saan si Ihano? Ayan. Sumaraga o Sumaraga, Winston Sama. Nathan Basalio, Palo Elite. Saan si Nathan Basalio? Yan. Then, Uwan Holanda, Tacloban. Then, Christopher Pabello, he is the official 24 seconds operator. The official timekeeper is okay, Itan and Tihano, the official recorder, and of course, our quality person in Balanghiga, the most quality announcer, quality Rigsot Solid, honorable quality Rigsot Solid. Ladies and gentlemen, ginahangyo his management na itaton mga magkrita, please abay kita kung ano decision ni referee, walay gurgulian, may adaan ita instruction from the head referee, Sir Pacheco. Sir Pacheco. Walay namlabo, puros tahanay. Bahala kamulida. Okay, we'll turn over the microphone to the official quality announcer, Sir Rickson.
Laramano.